Have you ever felt like your desire just disappeared? It's not that you don't love your partner. It's deeper than that, a quiet fading of your spark. For millions of women, it starts in the mid-30s and gets louder with every passing year. Low libido isn't something we talk about enough. But it's real. You're not broken, it starts with what nature already gave us. There are powerful, natural ways to bring your desire, energy, and sensuality back, and it starts with what nature already gave us. In this video, we're diving into 7 herbs that have been used for centuries by women to boost libido, balance hormones, and restore vitality, and now, modern science is finally catching up. Let's begin with a simple but powerful one. 1. Maca root, the energy restorer. Maca comes from the high altitudes of the Andes Mountains in Peru. For centuries, women have used it to increase stamina, balance hormones, and reignite sexual desire. Unlike pills that force a short-term response, maca works with your endocrine system, gently nudging your hormones back into harmony. In one clinical study, women taking maca for 6 weeks reported improvements in arousal, lubrication, and overall satisfaction, without any side effects. Maca doesn't contain hormones, but it helps your body make better use of the ones it already has. You can take it as a powder, capsule, or tincture. 1 to 3 grams per day is considered effective. Start small, and take it in the morning, it can give you a surprising boost of energy. 2. Tribulus terrestris, the hormone tuner. You may not have heard of this one, but it's a game changer, especially for women with hormonal imbalances. Clinical trials showed that women using Tribulus for just 4 weeks saw measurable improvements in desire, arousal, and sexual satisfaction. Many also reported more vivid dreams, better self-image, and increased sensitivity. 3. Ginseng, the mood and circulation booster. Korean red ginseng is a powerful adaptogen. That means it helps the body adapt to stress, which is one of the biggest libido killers for women. But that's not all. Ginseng also boosts dopamine, enhances blood flow, and helps lift mood, all of which are crucial for desire to return naturally. In one double-blind study, women who took red ginseng reported higher levels of sexual arousal, satisfaction, and frequency of desire. 4. Ashwagandha, the stress shield. Mental and emotional stress are silent libido killers. And many women live in constant fight-or-flight mode, juggling work, relationships, caregiving, and expectations. Ashwagandha is one of the most researched natural remedies for stress. It reduces cortisol, the body's stress hormone, and boosts testosterone and DHEA, which support libido in women. In a clinical trial, women who took ashwagandha for 8 weeks experienced improvements in desire, arousal, lubrication, and satisfaction. It also helped reduce anxiety and improve sleep, both essential for a healthy intimate life. 5. Shatavari, the feminine rebalancer. Shatavari comes from Ayurvedic medicine and translates to, she who possesses 100 husbands. That should tell you something. It's considered a rejuvenating tonic for the female reproductive system. It helps balance estrogen, nourish tissues, and support libido and fertility, especially during perimenopause and menopause. Shatavari is also used for vaginal dryness, mood swings, and fatigue, all of which contribute to reduced desire. You can find it in capsules or as a powder. Take 500 to 1000 milligrams daily for general hormone support. If you're breastfeeding or pregnant, consult your doctor first. 6. Fenugreek, the sensitivity enhancer. Fenugreek has been shown to naturally raise estrogen and testosterone levels in women, enhancing arousal, sensitivity, and even lubrication. In one Australian study, women who took a standardized fenugreek extract for 6 weeks saw significant improvements in desire, responsiveness, and satisfaction, without any dangerous side effects. Fenugreek also enhances blood flow and supports the production of healthy vaginal secretions. 7. Ginkgo biloba, the blood flow booster. You've probably heard of ginkgo for memory and brain health. But did you know it can also help with sexual function? Ginkgo increases circulation to the brain and pelvic region, which helps with arousal and responsiveness. It's especially helpful for women who've experienced libido loss as a side effect of antidepressants like SSRIs. In fact, ginkgo has been shown to reverse some of those effects naturally. Your body wants to feel alive, buried beneath stress and imbalance. These herbs, tools, reconnect with the real you. Start small, feel changes in 2 to 4 weeks. Which herbs are you excited to try? Comment below. Subscribe for more women who want to feel alive.